Hello, I am going to show you the sync up of the customer from Foodics to Odoo. So for that, like we have already configured the connection here, like Foodics connection, and there we can see all the features there we can use. So there we can for the customer sync, we just need to click on this customer sync. So automatically all the customers from Foodics to Odoo, it will all the data will come there. So now I have already created some records, new customer from Foodics side. So here I have created last two record in the Foodics, and we can see here those customers are not available here in Odoo side. So now we are going to sync the new records, so for that we just need to come here and just click on the customer sync. So automatically all this here you can see the message also pull out like a customer sync successfully. And here I previously it is 15 records. Now I am just refreshing the page. So here we can see now it's 70 records are there, and we can see these two, Dishant and Shubh. So these two records are created from Foodics side to Odoo side. So this is how like a customer sync are working. So for the next feature we will provide another video. Thank you all.